Okay, today's video is on whether DEI cool tape is worth your investment. I went ahead and did it for my short ram intake. I have an aluminum intake tube, and you can get a plastic intake tube, which would therefore relieve heat probably better than the aluminum one. But I got the cool tape here at Advanced Auto Parts. I got 2" by 30 feet for $15, which was a pretty good deal considering the other prices that I saw. So what I did to test the temperature difference was right here with the crankcase vent hose. I took the hose off and I put a temperature probe from a multimeter down in there, and then I set the multimeter right up there by the windshield wiper and went for a drive. I waited for the engine to warm up and everything. I took a nice drive, and it was a 68-degree cloudy day, no sun, no rain. And then I took the temperature readings. At idle, before the tape, it was 82 to 84 degrees, and idle after the tape was 71 to 72 degrees, so about 12-degree difference with idle. And then at 3,000 to 5,000 RPM without the tape was 74 to 75 degrees, and 3,000 to 5,000 RPM with the tape was 67 degrees. So you have a difference about 8 there, and that was what I picked up. There could be differences, you know what I mean. There are other ways to make cooler air go into your engine, like the cold air intake would obviously be better because the filter goes down into the bumper. I took my intake resonator out and part of the factory intake, and as you can see, my grill here is huge, and the intake resonator sat back in there. So now it's just a big empty canal that I'm hoping pulls air right up into the filter from the air coming into the car. And it's up to you guys. They say for every 10 degrees cooler air temperature, you have a 1% increase in horsepower. With this Accord here, I have 160 going to the wheels, so I got about 1.6 to 1.8 horsepower increase, theoretically. So it's up to you guys. Hopefully this was good information, and we'll see you next time.